table shows the information about the age of 80 teachers. 80 teacher is basically 80 is the frequency. I mean, once you are at 20, 22, 16, 13 and 9, what would be your answer?
80.
So there are 20 teachers whose age is in between 20 to 30, right? More than 20,
Yeah.
30 is included, but 20 is inclusive. There are 22 teachers whose age is in between 30 to 35. 16 teachers whose age is in between 35 to 40, and then all that stuff. On the grid, draw the histogram for this information in this table. So of course, along x-axis what you have to show? Ages. And along y-axis what you have to show?
The frequency.
So what I have to write? FD stand for?
Frequency distribution.
Frequency distribution. And do you know how to find the frequency distribution? I believe
you said it in the last lesson. You work out the difference between these two. So say what A would be, and you you work out the class interval, and you divide the frequency by the class interval.
Right. So 20 divided by 10 is 2 here. Because in this case, class intervals are not same. You can see here.
Yep.
Then 22 divided by 5
is 4.4.
Right. Okay. So you have to fill this one, and then next one is 16 divided by 5.
We're going to do 4.4.
13 divided by 10
is 1.3.
and 9 divided by 15. Okay. So it's mean the values is in between 0 to 5. I mean, minimum possible value is 0.6, and maximum possible value is 4.4. So I think so we can go for 0 to 5. Is this good?
Yeah.
Right? So you have to just this is the way that you can do here. Okay, let me just explain it for you. This is very interesting. 32, 35 is 4.4. 32, 35. So 3.2 is somewhere here. You must represent the axis, right? Vertical axis is representing frequency distribution, and horizontal axis is representing age in years.
That's about right, I think.